how to start trading stocks as a complete beginner. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we're going to talk about how can we exactly start trading stocks as a complete beginner. So first and foremost, I want to extend my congratulations to you for taking the initial step towards learning how to trade or invest in the stock market. These videos will be concise and directly to the point, providing you with the necessary tools and resources for new beginner traders. I sincerely hope that you will gain new knowledge from these videos, and if you do, please consider giving a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel if you believe I have earned it. Firstly, I want to address one of the most common mistakes made by the beginner traders when trying to learn something new. I'm not singling you out, as many people make the same mistake, and I'm quite certain that you have too. When learning something new, the primary focus should be on learning. However, often our focus shifts to making money, which complicates the learning process, especially when it comes to something as challenging as a stock market. The reason I'm addressing this as the first topic is because I want to talk about paper trading, also known as simulation trading. It involves trading with the fake money. You might wonder, why would I want to trade with the fake money? The answer is simple. It allows you to concentrate on what truly matters, learning how to trade or invest without any financial risk. Paper trading or simulation trading is free and is offered by many popular trading applications. The platform I personally use, Webull, provides a paper trading feature within the platform at no additional cost. You can find the link to the Webull in the description below, and by depositing as little as $5, you can also earn up to 12 free shares. The beauty of the paper trading is that this allows you to test and challenge yourself without any financial risk. You can gain real experience without risking any money, which aligns perfectly with the main focus of learning something new. Once you feel confident in your understanding of the market and have gained enough experience, you can transition from the paper trading to trading with the real money at your own pace. So this was for today. We'll be demonstrating on how to set up a Webull trading account and utilizing the paper trading feature on the Webull app in our next video. So if you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.